very good morning to you all. I, on behalf of the St. Mary's family, warmly welcome you all to this orientation program. As we all know that education is the mainstream to bring consciousness, to create nationalists, curving each student to the path of progress, providing knowledge, wisdom and understanding, molding every individual for the greater development of the nation. What we sow the seeds will be plentiful in the years to come. Dear freshers, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this prestigious institution. In the past years, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School has produced doctors, engineers, officers, and uncountable useful citizens. Today is your day to make your choice. So dear students, make wise choice of your elective subjects, be steady and never be hasty in your decisions. Now let me read out today's program. Number 1, Anger by Teacher T. Apokla, Senior Teacher. Number 2, Bible Reading and Prayer by Sir John Dobo. Introduction of the Principal. Number 3, Short Welcome Speech by Mrs. Nina Datta, Principal, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Number 4, Short Speech by Sir Pranit Datta, Vice Principal of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Short Speech by Pratik Datta, Administrator of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Program number 6, Introduction of Senior Guest Lecturer, Madam Mani Bordoloy, Principal of B.Ed in Salt Christian College. Introduction of Arts Teacher, Miss Jibini Muli in English Department, Madan Lal Sharma, Miss Pananglila Imchen in Political Science Department, Manoj Kumar Yadav in Hindi Department, and number 7, we have Vote of Thanks, which will be given out by Miss Jati Sangha Jamir.
Dear students, you have come to this school to begin your new scholastic era. You will come across a lot of challenges, and this institution provides you all kinds of facilities. Today, I shall pray for you all to seek the source of wisdom from the Almighty Father, so that through His grace you will be enabled to select various subjects, your elective subject. Now, let us close our eyes and invoke God's blessing. O God, you are the source of wisdom. I thank you for the gifts of these children, these students who are here to study in this institution. Almighty Father, enlighten their mind and strengthen their will during these years of their studies. May your graces and guiding spirit guide them. Never let them neglect their studies. Help them, Lord, to persevere in their endeavor till they reach their goal. May they live in cooperation in your presence and behave honorably. Enable them to choose what is right and to do what is right. May they be pleasing in your sight, Almighty Father. May they toil and respect the authorities, teaching faculties, and the parents. Create within them all-round development. Make them mentally balanced, spiritually and intellectually strong. Almighty Father, bless them. Bless all their efforts to all who take special interest in their growth. We make this prayer in your precious name. Amen.
Introduction of Principal. Mrs. Nina Datta, Principal of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, is an educator who has been in the spotlight for the last 28 years for educating thousands and thousands of children and the society at large. She is an inspiration for our society. Now, I call upon her for a short speech.
Good morning, dear students. I am the founder principal of the school and I welcome you all to this institution which is affiliated to CBSE from this year. We'll take care of you, and this is the first batch. We also will try to get the best results of the school and give you more of attention. We are a school with a difference. You'll see very soon when you have the regular classes. Our teachers are very helpful, and we try to help you as much as possible. We believe in students who can see and learn, but if you do more of the projects, you will understand the concept better, which is the basic of CBSE. These days, COVID-19 has made our life very different. You must understand, and because of that, we are going online. Nowadays, teachers are teaching pre-recorded explanation, and they are also giving you the notes. So you have to get accustomed with this. And also you have to ask questions if you do not understand. And in the day-to-day life also, you have to be more hygienic, keep your distance, and wear your mask. Trust the Lord, trust in your God, that everything will be fine, and you must always think of the positive. Remove all the negative things from your mind. When you are seeing the TV, news, or any other things, always take the positive things in your mind. Natural environment, if I see that we have been destroying and using it recklessly, so we in retrospect, we also have to think that let us also think about our nature and be more environment friendly. This is the time to think about all these things. Keep yourselves updated. In our day-to-day life also, we have to be more careful and look after all the human beings as your own and help each other. It is a time to become more human than to get the best and to be the go-getter. So evaluation is not only preparation for life. Education is not only the preparation for life, but education is life itself. It is better not to complain, and you thank God and adjust with whatever you have. Living in favorable and unfavorable situation is called part of life, but to adjust with the situation is called the art of life. So, dear students, I wish you all the best. Wish you that you get the best result in this institution, and when you go out from here, be the best gentleman and best gentlewoman and face the world with lots of skill-based hobbies and other things from here. Thank you very much.
Introduction of Vice Principal. Sir Pranit Datta, the eldest son of our principal ma'am, is the Vice Principal of this institution. He is a sincere and hard-working gentleman. Now I call upon him for a short speech.
Hello my dear students. I am Pranit Datta, the Vice Principal of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Dimapur. The first thing that I would like to tell you is welcome to the family of St. Mary's. This is a new phase of your life that might decide the career path that you will choose once you have passed your class 12 examination. No matter what stream you have chosen, arts, commerce or science, there are lots of opportunities waiting for you, provided you are dedicated and honest to your work. The teachers at St. Mary's are always ready to guide you, help you, reform your ideas about life and your studies. Joyce Meyer, the great American playwright, had once said, "A teacher can change lives with the right mix of chalk and challenges." We at St. Mary's are ready to face the challenge along with your support and dedication. Thank you.
Introduction of Administrator. Sir Pradeep Datta, a dynamic, talented young gentleman with loads of innovative ideas, is the youngest son of our principal man. He is the administrator of this institution. He is also an inspiration for the younger generation. Now I call upon him for a short speech.
Hello children, congratulations first of all on passing your class 10. You have moved on to a new stage in your lives, which is your higher secondary section. Now this is a stage where all of you get to decide your path in life, right? Till class 10 it was the same for all the children, but now it's your choice. You have chosen your particular streams, whatever it is, whether it's art, science or commerce. So I just want to say that we will try our best to make sure that you get the best education possible in St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. The ones who are already continuing from class 10 in our school, welcome back. You know how we teach, you know how we are, you know that you can always approach me as your administrator for any problems that you have. So, and for the new ones who have recently joined, I welcome all of you. I want you to have the best education possible, and you should know that I am approachable. You can always come and talk to me regarding any problems that you have. So once again, I welcome everyone and best of luck with your studies. All right, thank you.
My dear students, a warm welcome to all to start off a new academic session in a new way, which has become the new normal. As we all know, life is chaotic now. It is just not how we thought this new academic year would begin. But I need not elaborate this. Now, your home is your school. With schools shut, there is no boundary between your home and your classroom. Our teaching learning system has altered, and who knows for how long it may continue. Hence, we all need to gear ourselves up to a new approach, which is little different from the previous approach. That is where our focus goes on online classes and evaluation, WhatsApp, etc. That is the increased role or use of media in learning. Here, we need to be a little tech savvy, and we teachers are also orienting ourselves to adapt our teaching to the demands of the situation. Now learning and lessons are reaching your homes, and all information is at your fingertips. Now, you have to visualize your living room as your classroom. Create that mental state and adjust to this new normal. It may seem to be a little difficult at start, but slowly it will be normal. Not only your learning, material and notes, even your evaluation will be online to a great extent under these circumstances. Of course, your teachers will always be present virtually to guide you. Let me focus a little on the curriculum of the new academic session. St. Mary's Montessori and Higher Secondary School from this current year is affiliated to CBSE. Under the CBSE system of evaluation, 20 marks is set for internal markings and 80 marks for your externals. For your internal markings, usually there are 3 periodic tests and an average is calculated from these tests. Apart from the test, marks are also allotted for attendance, assignments, project work, and all activities and assignments given to you time to time by your respective teachers. Hence, you need to take your work seriously right from the start, as the emphasis is on continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Evaluation, you know, these days is a continuous process and not an end-term activity. I would hereby like to focus on the subjects offered by the school for the humanities stream. There will be a total number of 7 subjects. First, English elective. Number 2, history. Number 3, political science. Number 4, physical education or Hindi elective. You have a choice there. Number 5, again, you have a choice between psychology and sociology. 6, there is a choice, fine arts or dance or Hindustani vocal or information practices. Anyone that is. And number 7, you have health and physical education. So, looking forward for a great novel start and wishing you all a great session ahead. Thank you.
Class of 2020, welcome to our school, your home for the next 2 years. My name is Chibeni Nguli. I am your English teacher. I wish to congratulate each one of you, first, for clearing the HSLC examination, and second, for choosing to be a part of our family. Here in this institution, we always put the students at the center of everything we do, and your success is important to each and every member of staff who work here. To end, I'd like to say this: always believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Thank you.
Students, I, Mr. Madan Lal Sharma, one of the faculties of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, welcome you all for this new session 2020-21 in class 11. All of you have passed class 10 and you have come here for different streams. Some of you will be in arts stream, some of you in science and commerce. You have chosen your streams now. Just I want to welcome you all, and at the same time just want to tell you something that whatever you have decided, you really have to work hard. For me, I have been in teaching field for the last almost 15 to 16 years, and out of these 15 to 16 years, around 9 years I was in CBSE schools, and as you know, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School has become a CBSE school now, and it's a great opportunity actually for all of you, so to say. All the boards are good, Nagaland board is good, and even Assam board or whatever, all the boards are good, but there is one thing very good about CBSE board is this: you will get lots of opportunity to learn. It's like an ocean. Here, whatever subject you study, you have to explore a lot. You have to, go through different websites and go through the books. It's not like mugging up. You just go take a book and then you memorize some question answers and then you go and answer. No. I have been to, different places as an invigilator, and at the same time, I've also gone for paper checking and this and that. What I have seen is this: if you have that knowledge of the subject, you can really do very well, and suppose if you're writing an answer also, it doesn't mean that you have to just memorize and write the same answer which you study from your notes. No, from your own mind, from your own experience, if you know something related to that question, and if you write during the exam, you will surely get marks. That is the best thing about CBSE schools. And CBSE board encourages lots of things. For example, it will encourage you to explore things, go through different subjects, explore things and then do well. So I want to welcome you, and I want to tell you, you will not regret coming to this school. We will try our best, we will give our best, but without your cooperation, we cannot do anything. So you really have to give your 100%. We will also give you 100%, and we will make it, and we all will do very well in time to come. So thank you for choosing this school, and I believe you will not regret coming to this school. Thank you so much, and have a great time ahead. Thank you.
Honorable Principal, Administrator, fellow colleagues, and my dear students. A very good morning to you all. My name is Farhana Begum, and I wholeheartedly welcome all the successful candidates in the family of St. Mary's High Secondary School. I will be your class teacher for this year, and I will be teaching your history. You will have 7 subjects, out of which English, political science, and history will be your compulsory subject, and physical education and Hindi, out of which you have to choose one subject, and then from sociology and psychology you have to choose one subject. Then there are 6 subjects. In your 6th subject you will be having fine arts, IP, dance, that is Kathak will be taught to you, and then Hindustani vocal music. So out of which you have to choose one subject, and then health and physical education, this will be your 7th subject. Thank you. Have a very nice day.
Hi everyone, my name is Bindang Lila and I'll be taking your political science subject. Before we go into the syllabus, let me just explain you in brief what is political science. Political science is a branch of social science that is concerned with theories, description, analysis and prediction of political behavior, political system and politics. Again, let me just tell you why political science is important. Firstly, it is important because it helps us to become a responsible citizen. Secondly, it helps us a lot in competitive exams. And thirdly, it helps us to know our rights and duties. Now let us discuss about the syllabus. In class 11, it will consist of 2 books. Part A, which is of Indian Constitution at Work, and Part B, Political Theory. Now regarding the overall assessment, it is divided into 2 exams. Internal exams which carries 20 marks and external exams which carries 80 marks. The details of the internal exams which carries 20 marks, 10 marks will be allotted for your viva and 10 marks for your project period, that is known as periodic tests, your assignment, your classwork, your homework, your project. And the project can be of individual or pair or group of 4 or 5 students each. Now the project can be made of any of the topics given in the syllabus of a particular class, and the suggestive list of activities for project work such as role play, skit, presentation, model, field survey, mock drills and events, etc. So the topics for project work taken up by the student must be discussed by the teacher in the class. In conclusion, I would like to say that let's all work together and achieve our goals. Thank you and have a nice day.
आप सभी को नमस्ते। मेरा नाम है मनोज कुमार यादव। मैं कोलकाता का रहने वाला हूँ। मैंने कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी से स्नातक की उपाधि ली है। मैंने एमए, बीएड एवं एमएड की शिक्षा ली है। मैं सेंट मेरी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल का हिंदी अध्यापक हूँ। हिंदी अध्यापक के तौर पर मेरे पास 8 साल का लंबा अनुभव है। मैं आप सभी को हिंदी विषय का अध्ययन करवाऊँगा। आप सभी ने बड़ी मेहनत एवं लगन के द्वारा कक्षा 10वीं की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण की है, इसके लिए आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। आप सभी को मैं हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामना देता हूं। आप सभी का इस सत्र 2020 और 21 में स्वागत है। मैं आप सभी का अपनी कक्षा में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Hello students, I hope all of you are doing well by the grace of God. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to our St. Mary's family. This is Sir Sanjay Thapa, your IP teacher, and I would also like to congratulate all of you for your HSLC results. Now see students, I'm sure most of you have got the marks, whatever you have expected, but I'm also sure that some of you are there who got the marks which you were not expecting. But let me tell you, this is not the end. So don't be depressed. You're here in St. Mary's for next 2 years, and we teachers will try our best to give you whatever you deserve at the end of your class 12. Now, as I said, welcome to our St. Mary's family. It's not just for the formality, but let me tell you, here you have a principal ma'am who loves you all like your own mother, and then you have your vice principal sir, Sir Praneet Datta, then you have your administrator, Sir Pratik Datta, who cares for you, who protects you like your own brothers, and you have teachers who will go to any extent to make sure that you understand the lessons, and they are also very friendly that you can ask any questions to them regarding your subjects. Dear students, always remember we teachers are very friendly to you, but we are not your friends. So we also have to maintain a decorum between the teacher and student relationship. Now coming to our subject, IP, Informatic Practices. As you all know, this subject is directly connected to the computers, or let me tell you, it's directly connected to the new technology. And our subject, it's not like, I can't categorize it into hard subject or easy subject, because here it does not matter how much you can memorize or how long answers you can write. Here, everything depends on your interest. So if you're interested in computers, if you're interested in the latest technologies or the information technology, then IP is the perfect subject for you. And as you can see these days, the COVID-19 pandemic situation which we are going through, whatever the online classes are going on, or in fact this orientation program which we are doing online, everything is related to information technology. So students, your subject, as I said once again, is completely dependent on your interest, and it's not that what stream you select, arts, commerce or science. Everywhere information technology is used. That's the reason why IP subject is given in all the three streams. Now lastly, I would like to conclude here by saying once again, welcome to our St. Mary's family. All the best and happy learning. Thank you.
I, on behalf of St. Mary Higher Secondary School, would greatly like to welcome you all to this event. It's my privilege to propose a word of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who really work hard to make this orientation happen. So I immensely thank all the management team, the staff members, and all the people who work behind the scene to make this program a successful one. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. We have been so fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution who are very well versed in their job. I'm short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone during this pandemic. A special thanks to our respected principal, Mrs. Nina Datta, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. And with a deep sense of appreciation, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Sir Pranit Datta, and our Administrator, Sir Pratik Datta, for the untiring efforts to make this program a successful one. My sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and all the well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Thank you so much for attending this event. Last but not the least, I am Ms. Jatisangla Chamya on behalf of St. Mary Higher Secondary School and the entire fraternity of the institution would like to extend our most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making this program a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this program a successful one. Thank you so much.